Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lovely Lavender Whip. So excuse my ratchetness. I literally just got home from doing a bridal boudoir shoot. Yes, you heard right, a bridal boudoir shoot. So I will be getting my previews for my photos in the next couple of days and then having my viewing on December 5th. And today I wanted to do a open box video with you guys of my wedding dress. So my wedding dress came and I did order it online. I did actually go in store to David's Bridal and I tried on some dresses. I fell in love with a gorgeous Melissa Sweet dress. It was layered. It had like a lace spaghetti strap gown. And then it had this overslip with layered lace. Absolutely beautiful. I straight up told the David's Bridal girl when I went in there, I'm like, I don't want to be over $500. The Melissa Sweet dress was $708, I believe. And then with alterations and the veil, I was looking at over $1,000. There was no way I was going to spend $1,000 on a dress that I was going to wear for one day. Not even a full day because we eloped. I'm already married. I got married on November 19th, and literally the only reason why I bought a dress is because I want to have wedding photos. We ended up doing a elopement ceremony at my house. Something quick, simple, that was just between the two of us. My mother passed on October 5th, so I moved our wedding date up to November 19th. And I wasn't anticipating my dress being here for that. That's why I decided that I would book wedding photos. And because I live in Northeast Ohio, I didn't want to have cold, wintry wedding photos. So I booked my wedding photos for March. So I ordered my dress from CocoMelody. And I ordered it on October 22nd. I did not expect it to be here for my elopement. I did get notification the Friday before my wedding that it would be here on my wedding day. Did it show on my wedding day? It didn't. So I ended up getting married in jeans and literally the cardigan that I have on now because I got married last night. I know this photo's not going up until probably sometime later this week. So I wore a cardigan and I wore my jeans in that. I'll go ahead and insert a picture. It was just a casual ceremony that was between me and my husband. But I did want to do a unboxing of my CocoMelody dress because I know a lot of people are skeptical about ordering their dresses online. So let's go ahead and jump in and get this opened up. So obviously I don't have a really big box here, but I didn't order a really big dress. I am more of a simple kind of girl. I didn't want no ball gown. I didn't want no mermaid. The dress I picked is an A-line. Sorry, my nose is running from the cold weather. So here we go. We have a CocoMelody. There we go. A CocoMelody box. And I'm going to go ahead and pop this open so we can see the dress. So first we have some mailers in here. It says, I said yes to the dress. And we got a postcard about bridal party information. And then here is my dress. So it is just in a cellophane wrapper. And it does appear to be packed inside out. I did go with custom measurements of my CocoMelody dress. I've lost a lot of weight. I've lost 118 pounds in the last year. And I went from being a street size 24 to a junior's size 16 in jeans. David's Bridal, I was a size 18 in their wedding dresses. Based on the CocoMelody size chart, I'm an 18 in the bust and a 24 in the hips. So I obviously couldn't order one of their straight size dresses. I had to pay the $69 customization fee, which was relatively cheap. Altogether, my dress ran about $240 with the custom sizing where I sent in my measurements. So I'm getting a little nervous here. So it looks like my dress has a built-in bra, which I did not expect. It did not say that online, but hey, that's a good thing. So I see here, this is the corset ties for my dress. And then this is my dress. They have it packed inside out. I'm gonna have to turn it all around for you guys. But with this, I was able to order to my length and everything. I'm a tall girl. I'm 5'9". So I'm not like the tallest of talls, but I mean, I'm taller than most typical females. Let's see if I got this all turned inside for you guys. So this is my dress. Let's see, can I squeeze it together here? Because I want you guys to be able to see the most detail possible. I will get pictures of it hung up. So it has this gorgeous embroidered lace. Like, the pictures online did not do this lace justice. It is absolutely beautiful. The lace looked a little bit cheaper online. This lace looks so much better in person. So I have a tank style dress, so it does have some sleeves to it. And like I said, it's Mayline. So it has the tulle skirt. The embroidery goes down to the waist here, probably a little bit past the waist. The back, I did go with the corset style back. That way, if I lose more weight, they told me the corset will adjust another 1 to 2 sizes. It does have the modesty panel. And what I was surprised about, which I really didn't even read, is that this does have the built-in bra to it. We have the bra closure here. So I won't even need to wear a strapless bra with it, which is like freaking fantastic. The corset has lots of boning in it. So before I go any farther, I'm gonna go ahead and stop right here so I can go ahead and get this on a hanger and give you guys a better view of it. So hang tight. Okay everyone, so here is the dress. I have it on a hanger and you guys can see the embroidered detail very well here. So it has embroidered lace. It has like a strapless dress underneath with the sweetheart neckline. The embroidery cascades down kind of like a ombre floral into the tulle skirt. So I'll step back once again so you guys can see it before I flip it over to show you guys the back of the dress. So like I said, this dress was $240 with custom sizing. This is a retired dress, so they no longer make this. It can be custom made, but they do charge custom fees now for it. So I will put the style number below. It has the corset back. And it looks like that. So I'm sure down the road I will post photos of me trying it on, maybe a video of me trying it on. I will update you guys if I need any further alterations in addition to my custom sizing, as well as post wedding photos of me in the dress. So I hope you guys enjoyed this CocoMelody dress unboxing video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye everyone.